Greetings, beautiful people, wanderers, travelers alike. I'm here at the Sentral Alloy Midtown. That's Central with an S, located Phoenix, Arizona. So there's going to be a narrated version of this nice and spacious apart hotel, one bedroom king. It's going to be a room 1326. And I got a special guest. Got my mini. She gonna help me out. She ain't saying too much. So yeah, without further ado, let's go. You ready, baby? All right. Here we are. Room 1326. So you walk in, immediately to your right, a nice little rack for any hats and jackets. This is your view of the kitchen, living room, island. Got a nice full-size body mirror here. Some wall decor. And straight ahead here, have a nice little utility closet. Got an iron, full-size ironing board, dustpan, Eureka vacuum. All right, next we're gonna check out this bathroom here. Lights off because the fan and the light actually operates together. So we'll hit this little switch. You'll see how spacious this bathroom is here. Large mirror, single sink. You got some additional items here for your TP, Kleenex. And also you got some makeup remover, soap, lotion, couple towels, some extra towels here. Underneath, this is gonna be empty, but in case you need to put anything, store some personal items, you got plenty of space under there. You got some extra drawers here, empty. Got a blow dryer, extra little drawer down there. All right, and then you have additionally even more space. These some nice little deep cubicles here. Pretty deep. Store some bags in there, hygiene items. Then you have stacked here a full-size washer and dryer. Now they did provide some complimentary detergent. It's located in the kitchen under the sink, so I'll show y'all that here in a little bit. And you got your complimentary items here. It's nice to actually have this stand here for you to put your stuff, your personal things in the shower. Nothing too special about the shower head, but it's a nice size shower. All right, we're gonna check out this kitchen area now. Kill that light. All right, so one thing I do like about these apart hotels is that they actually have a full kitchen. So you got your full-size freezer, full-size fridge. Then you actually check the temperature up top here, and there's a door alarm. If you're leaving it too long hovering trying to decide what you're gonna eat, that alarm will go off on you. And in the cabinet above that, you actually got a Ninja blender up here, so if you are height deficient, you can grab a chair and grab that if you need. Got your microwave, full stove. Got your little salt and pepper there. A full knife set here. And also you got assorted glassware. Plenty of silverware, measuring cups and mittens, whisk and all those fun things for all your cooking utensils. You got a Black & Dairy coffee maker here. Got some complimentary sugar and creamer. Then you got your plates, bowls, and everything as well. And additionally, got your mixing bowls, pots and pans. Yeah. So you really get in here, make yourself all the way at home. These are things that you're not going to get into a stay at a hotel, period. So also at the island here, plenty of lighting, by the way. Very nicely decorated. You got a full island. Got a dishwasher. And on the sink area here, they've been so kind to leave you with some dishwasher, some soap, sponge, and some laundry detergent in case you need to put that fire out. Hopefully there won't be no fire. Alright. You got a regular bin here, recycle bin as well. And complimentary, as part of your welcome, they gave you some welcome there with some still water there. If you're one of those enthusiasts that don't like to drink out of plastic like myself, they took care of you. Complimentary. All right, so your living room here. Nice full-size couch, coffee table, nice television with a sound bar, with a Samsung speaker system, subsystem as well. Side table and a chair. Some overhead lighting, reading lighting as well. You already know what to do. Go ahead and like, share, follow, subscribe. We're gonna get to that TV in a second. Thank you, baby. Then right outside the living room, you have a little patio balcony area. Even got your little outlet right here in case you need to charge your phone, speaker, or something of that nature. Couple seats, center table. Not much of a view, but my opinion is not necessarily needed. That car just hit that wall. All right, coming back on this side, I'll explain to y'all some of these TV features here. So their services are complimentary, at least for this this room in itself. It comes with Samsung TV for your television channels. As you can see, YouTube does work. I take it to the home menu here. Down at the bottom, you can see that it does offer Netflix, Amazon Prime, Hulu, and all those other things that you can read for yourself. I have clicked into them. They seem to be already logged into per se, so they may actually just have a guest account that's complimentary for you to use as a guest is staying at this location. So don't abuse it. Don't be looking up all your stuff on your personal account that you don't look at somebody else's account. All right, so to the bedroom, right off the kitchen here. This might sound weird, but one thing I do like about this bedroom is that it does not have a television in it, you know? You got a whole seating area out there in the living room to entertain and relax, and a very large sofa as well. So, why not? This window is just outside on a balcony. Got some side tables here will both be the same on both sides. Some nice lighting, providing you with 2 outlets, a USB and a C type charger as well. All right, haven't done a bed test, but looks comfy. Additionally, got a couple more outlets here in the front, and a very easy to use split AC unit. There's one here and there's also one outside in a hallway, and AC works really good, so that's a plus. It is Arizona. Closet here, you get a little laundry basket. Standard space, but plenty of space to store your items, and there's other places you can store your stuff as well throughout the unit. So there you have it. 1 king bedroom at the Sentral with the S. Alloy Midtown location. Now, the Sentral does provide short-term and long-term stays across their properties. But this is one of the short-term stays right here. So hope you all got something out of this. If you've ever stayed in any other type of apart hotel type of venues, feel free to share. Let me know. I stumbled across this one while essentially coordinating my trip to Phoenix to surprise my baby. But it actually reminds me of another venue that I stayed at in Seattle. That's a conversation for another day, but I'm about to go check out these amenities and see what more the property has to offer. So until next time, one love, peace.